Are you tired of spending hours creating training manuals from scratch? Do you wish there was an easier way to streamline the process? Well, look no further, because today we're going to show you how to create a training manual using Intellect AI. Creating a training manual can be a daunting task, but with Intellect, it's as easy as a few clicks. First, open up your Intellect dashboard and click on the Training and Courses tab. Next, select a template you want to work with. There are several to choose from. Now, choose the topics you want your training manual or course to be about, and what language you would like it to be written in. Intellect uses advanced algorithms to generate content for your manual based on all of the information you provide. Finally, hit Generate and let Intellect do the work for you. Once the content is generated, you can easily edit and customize it to fit your specific needs. And there you have it, a training manual created using Intellect AI. Say goodbye to hours of tedious work and hello to a streamlined process. Try Intellect today and see how it can revolutionize the way you create training manuals. Join the AI revolution.